Oh man, what's up, y'all? Kind of starting this video late. As y'all can see, I got the swinger up on jacks and stuff. I was planning on doing an active exhaust delete simulator kit today. I got these right here that I was gonna put on them, but these are not the right fitment, and I'm a little frustrated. And this was not my first plan, neither was I gonna do this at all. But since I already had it up, I was gonna do the zip tie mod that I've been seeing a lot of people do, and I always said, man, that I would not do this. I was trying not to do anything cheap with this, but since my initial plan didn't work, I am just going to do this while I'm under here. I already got it all the way up, and I'm already kind of invested in it, so I'm gonna do it. I only got a little bit of battery left, so I'm gonna try to get this done quick. This is a very quick thing to do. Wait a minute, there we go. This way. All right. So I don't know if y'all can see it, but here's the active exhaust module right here. And all I'm going to do is unscrew these 3 bolts right here. I'm gonna let y'all see it. So there's 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3 is back here. Unscrew those 3. Take this off. There is a spring in here that twists and turns the flap for the active exhaust. I'm gonna take that off and make sure the flap is still in the open position. I'm gonna run a zip tie through this hole right here, and it's gonna go up around the module that controls the flap and back down through here and zip it so it'll stay open. And it says it's not supposed to throw a code, but you know, we'll see whenever we get there. I think it's this. And I forgot my freaking tools. Also was making this a little hard. I don't know how much battery life I got left. When I looked at it, it was like 20%. That might get me 10 minutes, which is should be right on the money on how much time I need to do this. Oh man, I'm freaking frustrated. That's what I get for shopping on eBay Motors. And it actually looked like a legit product too, man. I was excited to put that thing on and do it kind of the right way. What I'm gonna end up doing is probably going with the ones that clip into the active exhaust to make it think like it's clipped into something. Oh shoot, I think I might have messed this up. I should have took the one furthest away from y'all first because I can't see it. And because it's spring loaded, it will pop out, which is what I'm trying to keep it from doing. There we go. All right. Get the top off first. There we go. All right. The top is always the one that you can't see. So here's the spring. Pull the spring out. I'm keeping that. Make sure this is in the on position. It's closed. Open. All right. Put this out the way. Whoa. Oh shoot. Like I said, we're gonna run it. Can y'all see? We're gonna run it up through this hole, around that, and down that hole. So it should still be open, because I didn't touch it after I showed y'all. Alright? Yeah. Alright. And let's zip tie it. There we go. Make sure that's on. And then we're just gonna put this back on with no spring in it. And hopefully I didn't confuse open with close. Oh. Alright, we gonna get up under here. Oh, I'm supposed to be going down, huh? All right, well, that's done. Now, obviously, when I crank it up, I won't know if it worked or not because the active exhaust is designed to stay open on startup, and then as it idles down, that's when it calms down. I'm gonna keep these, by the way, just in case this didn't work. But I will do a startup and kind of leave it crank for maybe 2 minutes to see if it actually, you know, sounds like it idles down. So let's see. The keys are actually in here somewhere. There we go. It shouldn't throw a code. It shouldn't, but you know, who knows. Oh, the trunk is open. Duh. Won't do it while the trunk open. Yeah, it was an aggressive enough start. I give it that. Definitely sounds like it's open. Huh. Well, I'll drive around with it tomorrow and we'll see how it goes. All right, so I pulled this out. Sounds good. Nice growl to it. It's just stock open exhaust. And I said I was gonna try to get a couple of recorded clips just hitting the gas or a flyby. So I'm gonna set the camera up and I might put it in, I think I'm gonna put it in custom mode first. And then I'll put it in like sport. Just to let y'all know how the stock exhaust sound. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, so I mean, it sounds good, and that was just custom mode. Remind you, this is not an aftermarket exhaust. This is just fully stock exhaust. I just decided to open up the stock exhaust with the zip ties, and even from inside, man, it sounds good. This thing always catch me with no seatbelt on. So yeah, now I'm finna, let's see, I think I'm gonna rev it a couple times. And again, I'm in custom mode, which is basically street. So let's see what we can get this to sound like. Yeah, it's not bad. Granted, I mean, I don't think that really makes a difference to show y'all exactly what it does, because when I hit the gas, it's supposed to open up the flaps anyway, but pretty much that's how it always sounds. But yeah, this is just a little breakdown of what I did just to open up the exhaust. Again, mid muffler delete coming soon. try to put some more stuff on there. I appreciate y'all watching, man. Remember, subscribe to the channel, like the video. I hope you like it. Leave a comment. Instagram, AGameTheOfficial. Now I'm on TikTok, so now you can follow me and the swinger on TikTok at AGame343. But holla at y'all, man. Peace.